Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech KC. Today in this video, we'll see use only the Pigeon 3-liter pressure cooker. If you remember, 3 months back, I unboxed this Pigeon 3-liter pressure cooker, which I bought for 600 rupees. I'll show you. Yeah, see here. On 3 months back, see if you can see. 3 months ago, I just made this unboxing video, and now we'll see the review, the complete review of this pressure cooker, okay, which is a aluminium outer lid pressure cooker. So I will show you. So I'll share the exact user experience while using this pressure cooker. First of all, this is outer lid pressure cooker, not like inside one. And this is the whistle. The whistle is still tight, so much of tight. Means that brand new, okay. With one hand, it's not that easy to take out this lid. Means uh, that brand new pigeon cooker it is. And see here, one thing I want to share: the food which is cooked in this cooker tastes really good, that is perfectly fine, but this is good for if you want to cook dal or cereals or some sort of boiling purpose. But if you want to cook curries like any veg curries or chicken or mutton, the space is pretty much congested here. Even though it is 3 liters, see here, it is the place is so congested, so the even cooking is not being possible on this pressure cooker. Except that everything is fine and there is no spilling out of the food here. When the whistles are coming, when the pressure is coming out, there is no observation of food or something like that. It's been 3 months till now, there are no issues. And I'll also switch on the flame and I'll keeping this dal on the flame so that I can show you the live demonstration. At the end of the video, I'll be showing you the output also. And that is one of the consideration, means as even though it is 2 liter, the user tried to cook half kilo chicken here inside this half kilo chicken or half kilo mutton. Even in that case, they felt it is too congested. So I'm not saying anything negative about the product. Means the product is good, but only the feasibility is not that much. So if you want, you can go for the bigger, like 5 liter, at least 5 liter pressure cooker. That would be good. And this would be ideal for people with the family like 2 to 3. If the family consists like 2 to 3, then it's fine, okay, whatever the food you're cooking here. Even for dal and cereals boiling, that is okay, but curry cooking, yes, you need to think. So what we'll do is, we'll try to pause this video now and I'll be keeping this on the flame and we'll continue the video. So it is just stated that always keep on low flame only, so I'll be keeping in low flame and testing this. And now I'll time the time also, how much time it is taking. Usually the user just gave the honest review, like it is taking like 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes for the fine cooking, it's like 20 minutes. So yeah, compared to the previous pressure cooker, that is taking very less time only, okay, that you can count on. And live test also will check it now today. I switched off the flame here and it took like exactly 22 minutes and the pressure completely went off, okay. After that only I'm trying to remove. Maybe I need to use two hands. Yeah, this is the final output. And remember, this is not the induction base pressure cooker, and this aluminum is also decent, medium you can say, okay, this aluminum. And I'll show you on the Flipkart also for the further details. Yeah, yeah, this is the final output, you can say. The taste is pretty good. Yeah, see here, this is the cooker which I have shown you just all this time. This one, exactly this one. And the one which I have shown you, and I ordered for 630 rupees, or nearly 600 rupees. Now it is showing as 700, but mine is without induction only. If you want to induction base, because most of these city side people will want induction stove, so you need to click this option. When you click this option, you will see the price difference. Okay, if you have induction thing, you will see in the description also, in the description of the with induction bottom pressure cooker, and on the image you will see this. Okay, yeah. And those who want for only gas flame, you can go for without induction. That is absolutely your choice. And you can choose the capacity here also. It's 5 liter. It is showing this one 950 rupees, and it is without induction. And with induction, you need to check when you before ordering. For the 5 liter one, to my surprise, with induction bottom also, the price remain same. Only for 3 liters the price is been changing, it's increasing. But for 5 liters without induction and with induction, the price is similar. Even with induction base is a bit lesser cost, like, yeah. But you need to consider all the comments for already using both induction and gas stove. Okay, yeah. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments.